Hello. In this tutorial, I'll write a Python program to remove punctuations from a string. What we will do is we will take a string from user or we can define a string and we will remove all the punctuation and return the string with no punctuation. So let's just define that the punctuation and then we want to take a string s from user. We take enter any string. User will enter the string and then we run over it for let's say character in s. If that character is if that is not in uh, punctuations, then what we will do is we have another string which is let's say uh, no punctuation equals to this string, and now we will just attach it equals to no punctuation plus that character. So we will just concatenate the character only if it is not in the punctuation. Okay, so after that we just want to print our string without punctuation. There you go. I think this should work. Let's check it out. I have a string hello. I am not ready. Okay, and then bye. Yeah. So now this has like lot of punctuations. Okay. Let's see if this works. So it does. We have this string and it has removed all the punctuation and has written hello. I'm not ready. Okay, bye. So it does work. Okay. What we can do is we can print both. Let me print both. So uh, original string, original string, and then which is s, and then string without punctuation, string without punctuation. Yeah. Yes. So hello, I'm not ready. Bye. Okay. There you go. Original string is this one, and string without punctuation is hello, I'm not ready. Bye. What we have done is we have defined the punctuation and then we're taking a string from the user and we have defined a no punctuation string. What we are doing is we are iterating over the string. We are taking one character at a time from the string, which means we are taking HELO and then again and again every character one by one. And then we are taking, if that character is not in punctuation, then we are concatenating it with the string. We are just attaching every character if it is not in the punctuation, which means that string is that character is not part of any of these values. Okay, so this was the logic. I hope you got it, and if you did, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you with a new program in next tutorial.